In this video, we're going to take a look at how to make templates. In most ECOUNT reports, you can make templates by pressing the Option button. Since you can make many templates at once, you can authorize certain individuals to look at certain templates as well. Let's take a look at the sales status and press Option and make a new template. Give it a template name and save. Now, if there are elements that you would like to show, click on the area, right-click it, and press Insert Field. Once the field has been loaded, decide which items that you would like to add. Such as total sales text, pre-text, and amount. With the elements added, you can decide to move them around by dragging and dropping them. You can readjust its size. If you want, you can right-click it and press Settings, where you can change the display name. Or you can input the length here as well. Now you can change the decimal points, whether to include 0 or not, or have the thousands separator and have the decimal separator sign. Now if you go to the others and look at it, the standard by type means that when you go to the status, and if you choose the type other than by line, you can choose the standard, such as total or average of your choice. Once you're done, click Apply, and when you would like to fix multiple things at once, right-click and go to Batch Settings. On your left is the template name and the exception setting. You can always change the template name, and if this is a template that you cannot show to a certain ID, click on the exception setting and do not allow certain individuals, like so. You can also decide to choose the font types by switching it to manually and changing its font size and color and type. Going back, you can choose to use the top setting or the bottom setting to put information, add fields of your choice as well. Now there are line settings. You can determine how many rows you want to see per page. When you click on the print setup, you can also set up a print related settings, like using a portrait or landscape option. When you're done, click Apply. And if you would like, you can go back to the body type and have the sort order. I have added the customer vendor. If you would like the subtotal line to be displayed, click Display. Once you're done, now it turns out like this. Modified and reordered per vendor. Now if you want, you can use the search function to select different templates. Now I have set it as the first template from the other template list. When I click search, we can see that there is another element. So if we go back to the template setup and look at this value, we can see that this is a customizable numeric type. So likewise, you can insert the field and you can search for it. There's up to 5 numeric customizable types. So you can add it, right-click it, and go to Settings. What I did was to click Settings and decided that I wanted to find out the 10% of a total sales amount. So I put in the total sales times that by 0.1. You can do it like this or make other use of it, and just make sure to apply it when you're done and save it.